We've made enormous progress in the last 6 months with the restoration of the Campbell Free Kindergarten and the moving back of the Rob Roy Hotel to its original position. In the north of the project, around St Mary's Bay, we've completed all of the shoulder works and the construction crews are now working in the median. The acoustic barrier around St Mary's Bay is exceptional. We get so much good feedback from members of the public. In the south, we've closed the Wellington Street on-ramp, and that's allowed us to complete the excavation, and we're starting the paving in the lead-in to the tunnel portal. We are confident of opening the tunnel on the 7th of November, and that'll be 3 months ahead of our original construction program, which is an outstanding achievement.
We're standing in the peaceful environs outside the northbound lanes of the northern end of the project, where we've completed the new noise wall. The landscaping is near complete. This has allowed us to shift the northbound traffic over towards the shoulder, which frees up space in the median for the crew there to do the median barrier work and retaining walls. They're very experienced, they're a well-oiled machine, and they're working through there quite quickly. Completion of the median works will be in time for the traffic coming through the tunnel, and overall we're very, very pleased with the result and very pleased to be part of this.
Now that the substantive works associated with the tunnel are complete, we're well underway with the reinstatement of Victoria Park. That includes things such as improved path networks, regrassing, improved pedestrian spaces, particularly around the Rob Roy Plaza area, where we really wanted a high quality finish to go back in there to activate that particular area. The two egress structures within the park are quite large structures, so we've worked closely with iwi and council to ensure that these are appropriate within the park-like environment. Although not part of the Victoria Park Tunnel project, we've worked closely with council to ensure that the reinstatement of the skate park fits well into the wider park reinstatement. Through the northern part of the project corridor, we're improving pedestrian connections. We've constructed a walkway that goes from Beaumont Street right through to Point Erin, and we've also reconstructed the Jacob's Ladder steps, which is going to improve pedestrian connections to the wider area. We're also putting a signature bridge across State Highway 1 that will connect West Haven with the St Mary's Bay community. I think the project's achieved really good results in terms of the urban design and landscape outcomes, and these improvements are going to be around for generations, so I'm really, really happy with what's happened here.
We're at the southern approach here. Over the last 6 months we've removed 44,000 cubic metres of spoil. So we're now in the finishing stages of completing the pavement, and we're installing precast barriers. And we've also started installing some of the 237 precast panels. The southern approach will bring 3 lanes of State Highway 1 northbound, and then we'll have 1 lane coming in, merging into the traffic from Wellington Street on-ramp. There's still some excavation to be completed at the tunnel portal, but now all the main services have been diverted there. That should progress very quickly. It's all going very well here, and we're confident that we'll be ready in time for the tunnel opening in November.
The Raki main sewer is going really well. It's on schedule, and what you can see in the foreground is the last base slab that has been poured. On top of this internal shaped egg that you can see will be a precast lid. Following this, we will commence the livening of the sewer, which will eventually push the flow through the pipe around the tunnel face and over across to Union Street. So the work has gone really well. Full credit to the boys that have been involved. We can take a lot of pride from the structure that we have here. Although it's getting buried, we're still very, very happy with what we've completed, and we look forward to livening in a month.
The tunnel's now 3 weeks away from commissioning the mechanical work. The structural work's basically all complete, and it's really all around cabling and pipe work and finishing off all the last little items. All the panels are now complete within the tunnel, right up to the southern portal. Completed the fire lining inside the tunnel. The jet fans are just about to go up. All the hydrant pipe work is all going in, so it's really starting to take shape. The southern end of tunnel is the last section of tunnel we build, and that runs on till October. So at the moment we're heavily into the excavation and just getting ready to start casting base slabs again. So the last few weeks have seen an amazing effort from all the crews to get just a huge volume of work done, and that sets us ready for commissioning, and then that leads us right up to the opening in November.
The team's done really well. Victoria Park Alliance has received the New Zealand Contractors Federation Award for Safety Excellence on Large Projects and their Supreme Award for Safety. The project's also received the Heinz Environmental Excellence Awards. These awards from industry are recognition of the fantastic attitude and commitment that the team has shown to our people and to our environment. We're excited by Rugby World Cup and presenting Victoria Park Alliance in the best light for the international visitors. By that time, the park will be substantially reinstated, the local roading network will be in its final arrangement, easing the traffic flow, the skate park will be functioning, and we're looking forward to joining in the celebrations that is Rugby World Cup 2011.